Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install TikTok on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin. First, you want to head into Play Store. Then you can click search bar, go into search and simply start typing in TikTok. And as you can see, you probably want to ignore whatever is showing up in the sponsored area, since most of the time it's not what you're looking for. And here we have TikTok from the official TikTok pte.ltd. We can hit install, and now TikTok is installing. Now, if your Google Play Store is telling you that you have no TikTok available in your country or in your region, I'm sorry, but I can't really help you with that. Unless you will try to do some funny things with VPN, I doubt that you can have an legal access to the TikTok application. Also, I didn't really said it, but in order to use Google Play Store, you need to have a Google account and you need to be signed in with that Google account. But anyway, now we can simply open TikTok, log in, and we can beautifully waste our time. Nice! Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.